So in rule 4, the expression first we can observe the function q of x is in the multiple of the exponential with other function, either it is algebraic or trigonometric functions. If that is the product of two functions is there, then the particular integral is we can take in the form of 1 by f of d into q of x. But when we complete the exponential part means just we can write that is the left side of the function of d, immediately d is replaced with d plus a into v. And again here v is there. If v is equal to x power k, then after the simplification of 1 by f of d plus a is reduced to 1 plus or minus pi of d whole inverse by taking the minimum degree of the d operator. Okay, we can go for the rule 3. And if v is equal to sine bx or cos bx, then the function f of d plus a is reduces to 1 by pi of d. In this, we can substitute the same, go to rule 2. Here, then we can reduce to 1 plus or minus pi of d whole inverse means it's go to rule 3. But in the rule 4, just the product of e power ax into v is any other function means the completion of the exponential means then you can write left side of the function of d and immediately d is replaced with a. So it is the rule 4. Okay. First, we can take the problem d power 4 minus 1 into y is equal to e power x into cos x. First, let it be equation 1. The equation 1 which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here, f of d is equal to d power 4 minus 1. Q of x is equal to e power x into cos x. This is in the form of e power ax into v. V is the cos x function of x. First, to find out the complementary function by using of the auxiliary equation, that is f of m is equal to 0. Here d is replaced with m power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. It is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a plus b into a minus b, that is m square minus 1 into m square plus 1 equal to 0. Here from this 1 is the factor of m square minus 1 equal to 0, that is m square equal to 1. Another one is m square equal to minus 1, that is equal to I square. Here m equal to plus or minus 1, m equal to plus or minus I. So the complementary function is yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x plus e power 0x into c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. Next, to find out the particular integral, the particular integral is equal to yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. That is equal to 1 by d power 4 minus 1 into e power x cos x. What is the rule of particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax. V is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. This is the rule. So here e power ax, a is the 1. So yp is equal to 1 by d plus 1 whole power 4 minus 1 This is right left side e power x, that is nothing but the e power ax exponential part is over into cos x. Okay, it is equal to e power x into 1 by a plus b whole power 4 form, that is
Or
4 d power 4 plus 4 d cube plus 6d square plus 4d plus 1 minus 1 into cos x. Do you understand this expansion?
yes, ma'am.
That is x plus 1 whole power p ncp, that is okay, 4c,
Yes, ma'am. Understood that.
4c naught, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. We know that 4c naught and 4c4 is equal to 1. 4c1 equal to 4c3 equal to 4, 4c2 and 4c3. Here 4c2 is 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here yp is equal to, here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, and we can write in the place of cos x form. Cos ax rule, we can go for the second rule, that is e power x into 1 by d square means 1 minus 1 whole square plus 4 into d into minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 plus 4d into cos x. How it is means, we know that d square is equal to minus a square. Minus 1 square is minus 1. D power 4 means d square whole square, that is minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So this is the minus 1 whole square. It is equal to e power x into 1 by minus 1 whole square is 1 plus into minus minus 4d plus into minus minus 6 ones are 6 plus 4d into cos x. Here minus 4d plus 4d get cancelled. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So e power x by minus 5 into cos x is yp. Therefore, the general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x is y equal to yc plus yp. Here y is equal to yc is c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x plus c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. Yp is e power x by minus 5 into cos x is the required general solution of given equation 1. This is the solution. The 11 is related to two cases. One is the algebraic case, another one is the trigonometric function. So here the problem is d square minus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to 2x e power 3x plus 3 e power x cos 2x. Here let it be equation 1, which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here to find the complementary function by using of the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0, m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Here m square minus 3m minus m plus 3 equal to 0. Taking m is common from the first two terms, m minus 3, minus 1 is common, m minus 3 equal to 0. The factors are m minus 3 and m minus 1 equal to 0. So the roots are m equal to 1 and 3. Here the roots are real and distinct roots. So here the complementary function is yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. Next, to find the particular integral is equal to yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. So in this, yp is equal to 1 by d square minus 4d plus 3 into 2x e power 3x plus 3 e power x cos 2x. We can take the separate terms 1 by d square minus 4d plus 3 into 2x e power 3x plus 1 by d square minus 4d plus 3 into 3 e power x cos 2x. Here 2 e power 3x right left side. Immediately d is replaced with d plus a. Here d plus 3 whole square minus 4 into d plus 3 plus 3 into x plus again here also 3 e power x right left side. Immediately d is replaced with d plus 1. D plus 1 whole square minus 4 into d plus 1 plus 3 into the numerator cos 2x. It is equal to 2 e power 3x 1 by expansion of a plus b whole square d square plus 6d plus 9 minus 4d minus 4 3 is 12 plus 3 into x plus e power 3 e power x into 1 by again expansion d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 4d minus 4 plus 3 in the numerator cos 2x function is there. 3 plus 1 4 minus 4 cancel. Here also 9 plus 3 is plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. Then yp is equal to 2 e power 3x 1 by d square. Here 6d minus 4d plus 2d into x equal to 2 e power 3x 1 by d is taking common, that is d plus 2 into x. It is equal to 2 e power 3x 1 by d means integration, and here 2d is taking common, then it becomes d by 2. D by 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus d by 2 whole inverse into integral x dx. These two cancel. Here no need of here too. It is equal to e power 3x into the integration of x is x square by 2. This is the function, and this expansion we can take up to second term 1 minus d by 2 plus d square by 2 2s are 4. Up to here. Next, it is equal to e power 3x into 1 into x square by 2 is x square by 2 minus derivative of x square is 2x. 2 cancel x by 2 plus double derivative of x square is 2x, again x derivative 1. 2 cancel, only it is 1. 1 by 4. It's over. The yp1 is over. Next we can go for the yp2. It is 3 e power x 1 by d square plus 2d minus 4d minus 2d into cos 2x. Here 3 e power x 1 by, here b is equal to 2 minus b square is equal to minus 4. So in the place of d square we write minus 4 minus 2d into cos 2x. Now we can take the rationalize, taking the negative common, minus 3 e power x 4 minus 2d by 4 square minus 2d whole square cos 2x. minus 3 e power x into 4 into cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x derivative is minus 2 sine 2x, 2 to the 4, minus into minus plus sine 2x by 4 4 is 16, minus 2 2 is 4, d square is minus 4. It is minus 3 by 16 plus 16, so 32 e power x into 4 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x. It is the YP. Therefore, the general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x is y equal to yc plus yp. So therefore, y equal to c1 e power c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x is yc. Yp is e power 3x into, if we can take LCM or no need to take the LCM also here, x square by 2 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 32 into e power x into 4 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x. Here 4 is also taking common, 4 ones are 4 eights. This is nothing but no need of 4, then it will become 8. Okay, or into 4 into e power x into cos 2x plus sine 2x. Then 4 ones are 4 eights are. Then we can write minus 3 by 8 e power x cos 2x plus sine 2x. It is the required general solution of equation 1. Here the third one is d power 4 y by dx power 4 minus y equal to cos x into cos hx plus 2x power 4 plus x minus 1. Here we know that cos hx equal to e power x minus plus e power minus x by 2. Sin hx equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. If we know the hyperbolic functions in exponential, then we can write here cos x into e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay, then it is in the form of e power ax into v form for this. And it is the form of q of x is equal to x power k. You can take up to here also, no worries about. This is the total algebraic function. Here in the sine square x, we know the sine square x, cos 2x formula is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Then sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. We can take this formula here, then e power x into 1 by 2 is only exponential part, minus e power x into cos 2x by 2 is, it is the combined of e power ax into v form. Okay, you can follow the rule file. Here,
Yes, ma'am.
here also same, e power ax form. It is e power ax v form. Here 4 is constant, means 4 can be written as e power 0t. Just you can replace in the place of d equal to 0. It is rule 1. Apply for 4 is rule 1. It is rule 4. This is also rule 4. Okay. Here, sixth one is, next after the getting of the solution, it is in the arbitrary constant C1, C2, C3 like that. But it is only up to 2 derivative means only C1, C2 are the arbitrary constants. That equation first you can apply the initial condition, that is nothing but x equal to 0, y equal to 1. The general solution can be differentiating with respect to x. You are getting y dash. In that also you are substituting x equal to 0, y dash equal to 1. Then you get the C1, C2 equation. Solving of C1, C2 equations, you are getting the arbitrary constant values. Those values substitute in the general solution of the given equation. So it is not in the arbitrary constant. Those will expressed in the real values. Okay. The fifth and sixth, both are same. If you have any confusion, then I will explain.
Yes, ma'am. I'll ask you in the next class if I had out on that one.
Okay. And you try to sixth also. And the seventh one, d power 4 plus d square plus 1. Here just a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to root 3 by 2. That's the change. Just you can apply. The
Yes, ma'am.
x means e power x minus e power minus x by 2. You can apply here. Then the two functions will get in the right side. Those are in the form of x e power ax form. The ninth one is also, one is constant, another one is x e power ax form. 10th is also x e power ax form. Just like here, in the 11th problem, I did x e power ax form and also e power ax cos bx form. So these all are related to these two expression of the rules only. It is related to rule 4. Rule 4 means e power ax into either algebraic expression or trigonometric expression. Whatever it may be, just we can replace, d is replaced with d plus a, then immediately we can take e power ax left side. Okay, this is the
Yes, ma'am.
4.